Okay, here's the second example. So we have our problem right here. The first step is going to be the factor first. So I see that x squared plus 5x can be factored using GCF because they share an x in common. So I'll factor out an x on all denominators. Okay, so when I factor out, I'm going to be left with 1 over x plus 5, 1 over x plus 5, and then 4 times x times x plus 5. So now I'm going to combine the fractions on one side using the least common multiple. So, right, you have to multiply, you have to get those denominators the same. So I noticed they have an x plus 5 in common already. And then if I add an x to this denominator, then the denominators will be the same. That's great. So I'm going to multiply by x over x to get the same denominator. Because I can do that in math. I can multiply, something over something, because that's just 1. We can always do that. So after we do that, here's what we get. And we have x over x times x plus 5 minus 1 over x plus 5. So I can go ahead and combine these, which is great. So we're going to combine those two fractions. And we're getting x minus 1. And look at this. So you could cross multiply this, but you notice that they have the same denominator, which is really great. So if you multiply by the denominator on both sides, right, you're undoing that division, then you're just going to be left with x minus 1 equals 4. The denominators cross out. And then solve for x equals 5. So you check your answer for divide by 0. And, well, if we look at our original problem, 5 plus 5 is 10, so we should be in the clear. So that's how to do it. Take a look if you need to. Pause it right here. All right.